Hello, what's up guys, it's Maestro here, welcome to my channel. So guys, there has been an update in SoSo Value Airdrop, and according to them, they said we should connect our wallet address or link our wallet to SoSo Value platform, and in this video I'll be sharing with you how you are going to do that. But before we start, if you're not participating in SoSo Value, there's still enough opportunity for you to do that, to start participating right now, because the listing will be happening on the Q1, so either January, February, or even March. That's when they are going to do the listing, and you still have a lot of opportunity for you to grab as much point as you want. Okay, so if you want to start right now, I'll be leaving the link down here in this video comment section, so just click on it and then you're going to have a deposit bonus for using my referral link. Okay guys, with that being said, let's quickly go back to the topic of today, which is how we are going to link or connect our wallet to SoSo Value or Airdrop. Okay, so before you do that, just ensure that you are using an EVM wallet address. So one of the most proficient one is the MetaMask. So you have to use a MetaMask to do your connection because it's more stable and more reliable. Just in case you don't have a MetaMask account, I'll be leaving the link for you to click and then get your MetaMask account ready as soon as possible. Remember, there is also an ongoing airdrop MetaMask for new users, so this is a very huge opportunity for you. Okay, so once you get your MetaMask wallet ready, set it and then get your secret phrase, then you can now come back to start these processes. Okay, so what you're going to do first right now is just for you to come over to your MetaMask app right now. So this is my MetaMask account. This is how it's going to look like. You can see this browser that you can see at the right hand side of your screen right here. Okay, so just click on it. Okay, so once you click on it, it's going to redirect you straight to this particular platform. Okay, so right here you can see this search icon right here. Okay, just come over there and type SoSo Value. So let me just remove this. Just type SoSo Value, SoSo, then value. So once you type that, it's going to pop up for you automatically. Okay, so just come over right here, you can see this icon right here, click on search and then just allow it to load. It's going to redirect you straight to this particular platform. So what you just need to do right here, you can see the SoSo Value right here. Select the SoSo Value icon right there. Okay, so once you do that, it's going to redirect you straight to your SoSo Value platform. Okay, what you just need to do right now is for you to log in using your email address and your password that you used to create your SoSo Value account. Remember, don't use any other email, don't use any other password. Just ensure that it is the one that you use to open the SoSo Value account that you are going to use here, so that it can easily link it with the same platform. Okay, so first, before that, just click here. Once you do that, accept all cookies and then wait for the SoSo Value to complete the necessary processes that they want to do. Then you can see this icon right here, this ESP right here. So just click on that ESP again. So once you do that, it's going to redirect you right here. Down, you can see where they ask you to sign up and log in. Just first select login, then input that email that you used to open your SoSo Value account. That is if you already have a SoSo Value account before. Okay, so just input it right here. But if you don't have a SoSo Value account, you're just registering, just ensure that you also put your email address right here after using my referral link to register. Just come over right here and then input your email address, then input your password. Okay, please make sure you don't forget your password while creating your account. Then verify you're a human, and then you can see this this login right here. That is just allow you to verify. Okay, then come over, you can see this login and then click on login. So once you do that, they are going to send you a verification code to your email. Okay, let me wait for the email to just pop up so I can just memorize it and then put it right here. Okay, I just got the email right now. Okay, so I'll just come over right here back at SoSo Value platform and then input the email right here. Okay, so once you do that, it's just going to direct you into the platform automatically. Now this is the platform, this is your account, is now set and ready. Okay, so everything is now set. Now click on this setting right here. You can see this account settings right here. Okay, just select account settings. Right, so once you do that, it's now going to redirect you straight to this particular platform. Okay, the next thing you're going to do right now is for you to scroll down So once you scroll down, you're going to see this wallet. You can see it's not connected, so we are going to focus on how we're going to connect our wallet. Okay, so just click on that connect. So once you do that, it's not going to redirect you right here. Okay, so it's not going to ask you to verify your if you're a human or not. Okay, allow the Cloudflare to do their stuff. Okay, so once it is done loading, just come over right there and then click on the box icon right there. Okay, then you can see this place. You can see this get verification code. Once it's now looking clickable, just click on that get verification code. Now they are going to send you another code to your email again. Just wait for the code. So I just got my own code right now, so I'll just click on this drop down button right now and then get the code and then input the code right here. Just on that, they are going to redirect it to another platform automatically once the code is correct. Okay, now you can see different EVM wallet address, but I will always suggest that you use your MetaMask because it is always easier, reliable, and more convenient. Okay, so I'll be using MetaMask to link my SoSoValue to this. Okay, I'm going to click on connect right here. Once I click on my MetaMask right here, just click on connect. So once you do that, it's now going to redirect you right here. Okay, you can see this permission updated. Just wait for it. Don't click on anything. It's going to redirect you by itself. Okay, you can see this sign this message. Okay, just click on this sign. So once you do that, it's not going to take you back right to this particular platform again. Just wait, don't do anything, just calm down. It's going to link by itself. You can see it has successfully linked your SoSoValue platform to your MetaMask account. So you can see right now it's showing unlink. Don't unlink it because I've already linked it. So for other process like your phone number, email, or stuff like that, that one is not necessary. The most important thing currently is for you to link your MetaMask or your wallet to your SoSoValue airdrop. If there's any more information for you to link, I'm also going to update you. But if you want to link it, you can as well go ahead and link everything that you want to link as well. Okay, all right guys, this is the end of today's video. If you have any question to ask, just feel free to leave your question in the comment section below. Then I will do well to attend to your question as possible. Remember, I also have a Telegram channel where I drop quick tips and updates like this. You can also do my X account where I share crypto insights and updates as well. Okay, see you in my next video, and don't forget that this video is very helpful, so just do well to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel so that we can grow massively as well. Thank you for watching guys. See you in my next video. Bye.